Hello, my name is Ajay and I'm going to make simple eggless pasta. So we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of semolina, 150 ml of water, 10 ml of olive oil and a pinch of salt. So we can knead it with our hands, but to make it easier we're going to use the bread maker. So first we're going to add the wet ingredients. So that is, first we're going to add 150 ml of water, and then we're going to add 10 ml of olive oil, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then 1 cup of semolina, and then a pinch of salt. So we are going to wait for 15 minutes for the bread machine to knead the dough. So 15 minutes later, after kneading the dough, you get a dough something like this. So the dough shouldn't stick in your hand, it should be dry so that it will be easy to handle. So knead again to make the dough even more smoother, so you can cling wrap it to prevent it from drying. So right now we're going to divide the dough and store the other one half of the dough for later. So right now we are going to work with this part of the dough. So here we have set up the pasta machine. Over here we set the dial at number 1, and we're going to run the dough through this several times. So before we run through this, we're going to dust the dough up with some dusting flour. So now we're going to run the dough through this. So right now we're going to fold this into 3 and run it again. So we're going to change this dial from 1 to 2, and we're going to repeat the whole process again until the dough becomes smooth. So now we're going to change it from dial 2 to dial 3. And we're going to repeat this process again. Okay, so right now we're going to now change from 3 to 4. So right now we're going to change it to 5. If it's too long, you can use a pizza cutter and cut it in half, and then you can continue the pasta making process. So now that the sheet of pasta is ready, we are going to pass the sheet of dough through this and get spaghetti. Make sure to dust the dough well. Handle the pasta gently and sprinkle some dusting flour on top of it. So to handle it easier, we're going to separate it into batches and leave it on the countertop until you cook it. So now our fresh spaghetti is ready. So I made an eggless pasta dough and made 4 basic pasta shapes. Thank you for watching. See you later.